Hey everybody, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-Minute Trades, and welcome to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. So let's get started. Okay, we've got two events we'll be watching Sunday evening, but no trade rooms. At 6:45 p.m. New Zealand's trade balance, and at 9:15 p.m. the People's Bank of Canada, the prime rate for loans. Monday there's no trade rooms. We'll start in the trade room Tuesday morning at 6:30 for Koch's earnings. We'll be back at 9:30 for existing home sales and Richmond manufacturing, and we will be streaming that event live on YouTube. Back at 3:30 p.m. for Google and Tesla earnings. And then our last trade room on Tuesday will be the Family Money Trade, 3:30 p.m., the API crude oil report. Wednesday at 3 in the morning, we'll be up for the French flash manufacturing services and the German flash version of the same report at 3 a.m. in the trade room. 4:30 a.m., the British version, we'll just be watching it, no trade room. And we have no trade room for General Dynamics earnings at 7 a.m. Back in the room on Wednesday at 9:15 for flash manufacturing, the Canada rate statement, new home sales, and crude oil inventories. And then 3:45 p.m. for IBM earnings finishes Wednesday out. Thursday morning at 8 o'clock, we've got advanced GDP. 10 o'clock, we have the natural gas storage report. And 12:30 p.m., the 7-year note auction. We will be streaming the 7-year note auction on YouTube, and we'll also be streaming IBM's earnings on Wednesday at 3:45 on YouTube as well. Friday, our last three events of the week, 6:15 in the morning, the REM earnings, 8 o'clock with the PCE price index, and then 9:15 a.m., the revised University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report, and that will be a stream on YouTube. Just a heads up, keep an eye on the text in this email for the $24 trial that is ending this weekend. It's a fantastic offer for the magnet and a full pro membership. Thanks for listening, and thanks for watching the video, everyone. I'll see you soon in the trade room. Take care, and I hope your weekend is going great.